Hi, good day everyone. My name is Micaela H. Elagan and I am here to discuss about hazardous waste. So first, what is hazardous waste? So hazardous waste in the context of environmental science refers to any discarded material that poses a threat to human health or the environment due to its toxic, reactive, ignitable, or corrosive properties requiring special handling and disposal. So, where does it come from? So, this hazardous waste comes from the factories and industrial plants, hospitals and laboratories, automotive repair shops, and as well as our homes. So, why is it dangerous? So, here are the classifications of this hazardous waste and why is it dangerous. First is toxicity. So it is toxic because it can poison you, and this toxic hazardous waste it can be harmful or fatal if ingested or absorbed. So it can pollute groundwater when disposed of. So some of examples of this toxic waste are asbestos, lead-based paint, polychlorinated biphenyls or PCBs, mercury, and DDT. Next one is ignitability. So, ignitability refers to the characteristic of a substance or waste that makes it easily capable of catching fire and sustaining combustion. And it is often used in the context of hazardous waste management. Or some examples of this is gasoline, some paint thinners and adhesives, kerosene, oil-based paints, some industrial resins, lighter fuel, lamp oil, and ethanol. Next is corrosivity. So corrosivity refers to the ability of substance to corrode or dissolve materials including metal containers, flesh, and other materials. So some examples of corrosivity is include acid or alkali cleaning solution, rust removers, battery acid, and caustic hot tank waste. Next is reactivity. So reactive hazardous waste is unstable and can explode or release toxic fumes when heated, compressed, or mixed with water. So some examples of reactive hazardous waste are lithium sulfur batteries and unused explosives. So here are some of the real life examples of incidents wherein hazardous waste is involved. So the first one is the environmental crime in Tuy, Batangas. So in 2020, a case in Tuy, Batangas, two individuals named Romano Cabrera and Mark Anthony Austria were arrested for allegedly dumping chemical waste into the Batangas River and violating the Philippine Clean Water Act and other environmental laws. So here's the breakdown of this specific incident. So for this one, this two individuals illegally discharged this chemical waste into the Batangas River, resulting in a large foam line and a foul odor. So for this one, for this legal violation, so they violate the Philippine Clean Water Act or the RA 9275, the Toxic Substances and Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act or RA 6969, and Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, which is the Republic Act 9003. So this illegal dumping of these chemicals cause significant damage to the environment, including the contamination of the Batangas River and the harm to the local ecosystem and the community. So for this one, DNR or the Department of Environment and Natural Resources takes action on against the suspect, and they were apprehended by the police. So for this one, it is a life-threatening incident because the chemicals used were reportedly from the drums used for making soap, which were being washed at a lot owned by Cabrera in Barangay Bayugpod. So next is the incident is the cyanide spill in Toledo City, Cebu. So for the cyanide spill, in 2011, a spill occurred due to a leak in tailings pond which contained cyanide used in gold extraction. It caused a lot of fear for the resident that depended on the river. So for this one, A mining company, which is the Toledo Copper Corporation, a subsidiary of Atlas, Consolidated Mining and Development Corporation, experienced a spill from its trailing pond in Toledo City. So, this cyanide, so for just another information, cyanide is a highly toxic chemical flowed in the Malubog River, impacting downstream community. So, the spill is occurred due to a leak and tailing pond which contained the cyanide used in gold extraction process. So, this incident raised concerns about the potential contamination of water sources and harm to aquatic life and human health. So for this one, this incident highlighted the risks associated with mining operations and the importance of responsible waste management. And it also underscored the need for improved monitoring and enforcement of environmental regulations to prevent similar incidents. The last one that I have here is the empty Princess oil spill. So this incident is an accident. So in 2023, the sinking of the Empty Princess Empress caused a significant oil spill that affected a large area of Oriental Mindoro, Palawan, and Antique. Okay, so for this specific incident. So this incident released a massive amount of industrial fuel oil, causing widespread environmental damage to coastal ecosystems, including the mangroves, seagrass beds, and coral reefs. So it also had severe economic impacts on local fishing communities and tourism. So, that's all for my part, and thank you so much for listening, and bye for now.